Hi, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to access many more free designs in PowerPoint than you may have thought possible. So when you open your PowerPoint software, you'll see that on the Home tab you have a range of different options, but if you go up to the top here it says More Themes, and that will just give you a small variety of different themes for your presentation. If you like what you see, obviously you can click on one of those, but if not, just click on Blank Presentation and go down to Create. And as you can see, we've got a plain presentation up. Now what we need to do from here is go to the Home tab and go along to Design Ideas. And as you can see, there's a huge amount of design ideas over here on the right. Click on See More Designs and you can simply keep scrolling until you find something that you like. Once you see something you like, if you click on it, you'll see it's applied to your presentation. However, if you then click off your design idea, keeping hold of the design that you've selected, go back up to Design Ideas, you can see that now you've got another variety of slides that's based upon the theme that you selected. And once again, you can keep scrolling through those designs to perhaps find something that you like. Again, you can click on that design. You can then close this down again, reopen Design Ideas, and you're presented with others as well. If we then go up to Design, we can also scroll through these colours at the top here, and that will give us more options that will change that design once again into the Design Ideas. So for example, if I click on this particular colour, you can see that all the designs on the right have also changed colour as well. I can also do it with the themes across here and all of the colours. And again, if I click on the drop down, I go to colours, I can also utilise all the colours that you see here as well. And they will provide me with more design features as well. Once you're happy with that, if you go to the Home tab and go to New Slide, but click on the drop down, you have a variety of slides here that have already been selected for you in the layouts, or you can duplicate the slide. Once you've duplicated that slide, go back up to Design Ideas, and you can see that in the Design Ideas, those colours have changed to pink, and you can go ahead and select any of your choice. And again, on the Home tab, you can go up to the Layout tab here, click on the drop down, and begin to select a different layout. Now, sometimes these work and sometimes they don't with your design, but remember you can move these images around and you can also resize them. To suit the look that you want. Now once you've customized a slide, often if you then select that slide, go to New and then try and duplicate it, then unfortunately there will be no design options, but that's fine because we can still go back. Just press Command or Control Z to delete that slide. If you go back to the top slide and then we duplicate the slide, then you can just simply move that slide by dragging it down below the Customize slide. Then go back up to Design Ideas, and then you've got your full complement of designs in the menu. If this design isn't for you, then you'll have to go back to the Home tab, click Blank Presentation, click Create, and then all you need to do is do exactly the same. Select Design Ideas, and then go ahead, click the design for you, just reduce that menu again, click Design Ideas, and you can see your whole complement of designs on the right hand side. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.